Hi, I'm Sheikah, global artist for Lancome, and today I'm going to show you a quick and easy, bold, smoky eye look. And the color that I'm going to start with is the deepest color. It's like a really dark plum purple. I'm going to go in with the lighter purple just to bring up this purple that we've put down already. This color, I'm going to apply that right on the balls of the eye. With our Stilo waterproof eyeliner pencil, I'm just going to create a nice line and kind of smudge this outwards and upwards. I'm going to take that color that we started with in the beginning and bring that down to the bottom of her eye. And this is what's going to bring out the smokiness. Now, no look is complete without lashes. And I love to complete every look with the Cils Booster XL. It's a beautiful lash conditioner and serum that I like to put on before using any of the Lancome mascaras. And today we're going to be using the Hypnose Drama mascara to finish off this bold, dramatic, smoky eye look. And this is the final look of the super easy and quick smoky eye look. One of my favorite looks to do using the Hypnose Drama mascara.